what are some do's and don'ts that you advise clients or even potential clients?
Well, some of the probably the most common do's and don'ts is, as far as do's, is really take a look at the financial impact on your taxes ahead of time. One of the most common things that I find is that people go get their taxes done, and then they realize that they now have a tax bill to pay the IRS, and they probably could have done better planning. So, we're in the middle of tax season. Maybe you have to write a check to the IRS for 3, 4, 10,000 or what have you. Well, let's not do that again next year. Start to plan. And that's the value that a financial planner can begin to really address now prior to next year's filing. So that's along the lines of the dues. I think the one suggestion in terms of the don'ts goes back to this example we mentioned about the lady whose family member told them is, don't invest a large part of your money in something that you cannot afford to lose, right? If it's something that's really off the wall and it's not something that you can easily purchase and sell, like a mutual fund, like a bond fund, as a registered security through any trading app or any type of investment, those are all liquid investments. You can get rid of those if you don't like the way they're going. Okay. But when you invest a significant portion of your life savings, as was the case of the individual we discussed, in something that they really don't have an exit strategy, there is no risk management. And if it goes south, it's going south fast, and there's not a whole lot they can do about it. So that would be the don'ts, is really stay conservative and invest in things that you can easily get in and out of.
That reminds me, the client, unfortunately, they ended up investing their savings that took them decades, to save up, and they put their entire, so to speak, their entire savings. And it's I feel terrible because they are literally at their wits' end. They don't know how to handle this, and they obviously didn't want to even do litigation. And it's one of those unfortunate things. I wish that they had talked to you before that done. I'm sure you said the same thing to them.